Still on the bench, case on the floor, smell of fresh clean, boots by the door.